Good morning, students. So today again it is another class for marketing, BBA third year marketing. So in the last class we have already discussed about that is uh, the evaluation and execution and evaluation of the sales training program and some introduction about the development of the sales force. Students, today we'll again focus to the development of the that is sales force as well as also some methods which improves the sales force productivity. So students, already just I again focusing of the that is about the development of the sales force. We know that it is an assumption that newly trained salesmen they have to be took the charge of the own territories after the initial training, and but the sales manager must ensure the base for the continuous development. The standards, it should be maintain the standard of performance of the sales people that which have been learned from the training, okay, and it must be channelized properly. And again, one thing you have to notice that they have to perfect with their own seniors, and that will build the good performance records. Sometimes they also need assistance, and also they give the to give the continued good performance also. And we also remember that it is what happened. The development of the sales force is not a one-time method or maybe the short-term method. It is a just continuous process because it focuses really more and more productivity efficient. Because ज़्यादा जितना डेवलपमेंट होगा उतना ही प्रोडक्टिविटी मैंने बढ़ेगा और एफिशिएंसी भी इंक्रीज होगा. And development process could be carried in two ways. Lastly, I have already discussed that is mostly on the field or on the job, and also through the sales meeting. And in the if you discuss on the job, means that is the field training. It aims at rendering the continuous help to the salesmen, those who are engaged in the particular field work, and to get over their initial difficulties, and the performance also better performance on the ongoing basis also must be there. And for this the sales executive is also in charge of the some points, some regarding you have to care about it. That is when he is on the job training, mostly he has to compare his charges field performance, okay, regularly, and you have to there is a because some we have to find some variations, okay, and that should be rectified also. And another point we have to discuss the whatever the weak areas are there, that must be the identified. For this purpose, the salesman must be educated and he himself to know the methods through which he should overcome from the difficulties or the problems facing on the job. The new entrance also salesman is also encouraged to incorporate that is suggestions in their own work. That also you have to take care of it. And the weak area, which is totally observed by the sales executive in charge, should be tabulated on the corporate basis also, and this will reveal the general weakness of the initial training and would help set about the refreshers course for the future also. That is a very very important things, because how one should develop, हमें उनके पीछे लगना चाहिए. They also, the new entrants must be also some that is interest on us. When if the development is not from one side, it is the development from both the sides. That you have to keep in our mind. So my dear students, today the main topic we have to discuss about, that is the methods of the improving the sales force productivity. When we are discussing about the sales, that is the methods of the improving sales, that is force productivity, we have to talk about the identifying, the perfect customer. Number two, that is understanding the customer's decision making unit, that is DMU. Third, learning from the star performers. Sales meeting conference, sales meeting, and that is curbside conference, and reference courses, refresher courses, and sales bulletin. So, students, when you are going about the development of the mostly sales force, and in the cases of the methods for improving the that is sales force productivity, how to make the very productivity most the efficient. So we have to discuss about the points, what are the methods that how to improve their sales performance. Okay. So first of all, we have to discuss, that is the word identify the perfect customer. I will tell you, explain you how to do it, and understanding the customer decision making unit, that is the very important. And you have to learn from the star performance how they are achieving. Okay, and sales meeting also you have to conduct. Okay, the curbside conference, refresher courses, and the last one, that is the sales bulletin. Let us go. That is what happened. That is identifying the perfect customer. It is the talent of the salespeople to pinpoint the diet to the customer, the perfect customer who is ready to utilize your product, or the reluctant to purchase the product, or to interest to know about your product, whatever it may be. So it is the only the personal judgment, the personal skill of the salesperson, that with their own talent only the salespeople will hit to the perfect customer. And every time you know that company must do the task of the personal activity or the sellings. Okay. So day one, from starting when we are going steps, we are taking the help of from our near and dears, and to find some advantages on the sellings. Okay. The salesman has to call on the prospect and tries to convert them into the customer also, because no one is from day one, no one will become the customer. If we are new to the company, they also somebody also new to the company, and you have to focus them in all corner, so that the mostly people, or the prospectus may be the attract to gain the customer also. That is, maybe we have to follow up them regularly. We have to carry out our number of calls per period. That maybe also you have to find it. And always you have to make a regular contact with them. And sometimes you have to, that is what happen, solve their problems. Okay, maybe it will be helpful, that is in creating the market. So you know that, students, that is we have to find out the most efficient way, allowing, that is A, B, C, D. Remember it, A, B and C, D. You have to find it, categorizing. Okay, means A we can say that is excellent customer. Okay, and that is what happened. And here it is B for the good customer. You have to say it. Okay, you have to make table how many customers you are fetching and how many, that is, it is a very good way. Okay, how their response is there. Either they will be the customer, not that you have to find it. And 100% we have to try our own efficiency to make them as a customer. Okay. So another, that is D, it is the fair category. Okay, and it is the very poor categories. So these are we have to tabulate it, and we have to make the time and effort upon these things. Okay, in this way we can find out the call rate, the best target, better target on the promising prospects. Okay, we should not waste the little time also. Okay, because they are also trying, that is how much the salesperson is interested on us. बार बार अगर जाकर पूछेंगे, बार बार उनका दैट इज फॉलो अप करेंगे, बार बार अगर उनका प्रॉब्लम्स को फाइंड आउट करेंगे, सॉल्व करेंगे, और व्हाट दे वांट वी हैव टू नो इट by our own concerns. So it will be what happened very fruitful to us, and basically what happened, they will be benefited, and they will be what happened along with customer also. So as a guide, mostly salespersons of this category, they have to following points must be there. What we have to consider, that is size of the firms and the consumption level must be, we have to know it, and that is we have to segment that serve the potential customer, that you have to find it, and you have to find that is the nature of the farm product, the techniques in the production process, that you have to find out also, and the personality of the buying decision makers, that we have to also motivate, stimulate, and we have to find it also, and geographical locations is the very very important for the customers also. And my students, one thing another we have to discuss it, that is the second point, that is understanding the customer decision making unit. We should not fight, we should not make argument by the talking only. we have to predict, we have to understand the customer's decision makings, what the customers wants. Salespersons, they always deals with the number of customers. In the process of selling, the main participants most are the deciders, buyers, influencers, users, and the gatekeepers, etc. So many things, so many people. Those are always come in contact with the salespeople, and they have their own role, and they have their own role to play. Sometimes maybe it is supportive, and sometimes maybe it becomes the opposite or the barriers. That we have to know it, which is the positive and which is the negative. Okay, and that you have to take the custom. That is the decisions. It is lies in the hand of the salespeople only. The crucial role. Okay, what to do and what not to do. The negative may be converted to the positive, and we should not try to the positive to be converted to the negative. Positive will be more stronger, and the negative जो होते हैं उनको भी हमें divert करना है positive thinking. So everything what happened, that is each one of them has to be communicated. That is from one to another, and however it is impractical, inefficient, and positively imprudent for the mostly salespeople, those who have been in contact with them. And also, it ensures that what happened, the DMU receives the right amount of the informations, neither too much or not too little. That doesn't make it. It is a what happened, DMU. It is what happened, that is a correct figure, we can get it. That is, if we classify all the things according to the excellent, good customer, and the poor, and the fair and the poor. From here only we can bring the right amount of these things. And he has to concentrate on the most important and the decision members for this DMU or the buyer also. The sales manager may have to prepare a report of his own customer so that it will be helpful to follow. As well also, it is helpful for the office peoples to make them follow or to take some positive actions so that it will be helpful for both salespeople as well as the customer also. And another, that is learning from the star performer. With us, our senior managers, some peoples, they are the totally achiever in the markets. And they have lot of experience. And they can guide us. And we have to learn from the star performer also. However, whatever may be, by analyzing all the things, performance of the individual salespeople, or one can easily design it, or from the top 10, that is as a star performer, we have to bring it. That is what happened. We make it categorized with the star performer among those only, the salespeople, according to the sales performance, according to their own talent, why they have become the star performer, that we have to find it, and we have to follow them, and we have to learn something from them. Okay, so that is very, very helpful in our marketing, and we should not be any jealous. हमें भी कुछ सीखना है, हमें भी कंपनी के लिए कुछ करना है, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन के लिए कुछ करना है, तो हमें बेहतर किससे, कोई दूसरे से सीखने से, अगर वो कैसे स्टार परफॉर्मर बन गया, वो कैसे उसका रिजल्ट अच्छा हुआ, वो कैसे उनका अचीवमेंट मच बेटर देन अस, कुछ सीखना चाहिए, तरीका उनका पे, उनका नॉलेज क्या है, इस जानने के लिए कोशिश करना है. वी हैव टू टेक द हेल्प सो दैट वी आल्सो डेवलप आवरसेल्फ. ओके, दैट इज द मेन थिंग्स दैट यू गॉट टू. And another, we have to make the conference, that is the sales meeting. This is another important, mostly avenue for the development of the sales force. The main objective, it is what happens, train and develop the each and the individual. On the job training means you have to find it, what are the problems, how the problems will be sorted out, and you have to inform and they get the feedback information regarding their thing, and all the things you have to make queries, and you have to find their sort out their own queries also, and also to stimulate the motivate them. So sales meeting must be successfully should have the inbuilt ingredients like location, audience, agenda, periodicity, and activities. All the things must be there. Okay, that we have to find it. Location means what happened. We have to say that the right place where every individuals must be there, which is made available or company headquarters कहाँ पे करना है बेहतर हमें पता होना चाहिए, और it should be suitable to all. Okay, adequate arrangement भी हमें करना चाहिए, और audience, the level of intelligence, जितना इंटेलिजेंस ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट होंगे कंसिडर करेंगे उनका ही हमारा सिलेक्शन बेहतर होगा, और असाइन भी सब्जेक्ट दैट इज अच्छा भी कर पाएंगे। और हर मीटिंग का एजेंडा होना जरूरी है, बिना एजेंडा से मीटिंग किया नहीं जा सकता है। हमें डेली रूटीन जो करता है बेटा वो एजेंडा के हिसाब से करना पड़ता है। दैट विल बी वी हैव टू टॉक अबाउट इट, एंड द मीटिंग शुड बी ए डेफिनेट पीरियडिसिटी, चाहे वो नेशनल लेवल में चाहे वो स्टेट लेवल में जो भी है, एनुअल अफेयर के मैंने ऊपर डिस्कस करना है, और हमें पार्टिसिपेंट को प्रिपेयर करना है रेगुलरली मीटिंग के लिए। सेल्स पीपल्स ऑलवेज, यू रिमेंबर माय चाइल्ड, व्हाट हैपेंड माय चिल्ड्रन, सो सेल्स पीपल्स दे हैव ऑलवेज रेगुलर मीटिंग्स। If the board of meeting I might say twice a year or whatever may be, but sales peoples they have always what they have having a meeting with their own team and with the boss or any other persons or experts whatever. No one, the sales, the marketing peoples, they should have to acquainted with all meetings. No one can neglect. This is become the what happened and habitat or the part and parcel of the marketing, the meeting. Okay, so no one can that is away from this meeting also. And activities, the proper allocation of work find out करना है each participant को, और हमें देखना है किस तरह की पार्टिसिपेट एटमोसफेयर क्रिएट होता है, और ये मीटिंग अच्छा हो सकता है और ना नहीं वो भी हमें देखना है। दैट इज अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट। And another, that is the curbside conference. This conference is mostly randomly appraisal of the performance also of the salesman, and mostly मैंने कहा monthly भी हो सकता है, maybe taking a day or day's work into the consideration also, because इस salesman is यहाँ पे ensure क्या होता है, salesman is not calling on his friendly customer on that day, और maybe कुछ appraisal होता है presence of the appraiser that have to be watched on the salesman. So day to day activity के ऊपर mental note में जो कि strong बना सकते हैं, weakness भी हो सकते हैं। curve side meeting मतलब useful for the purpose of the increasing the productivity, all of whatever may be is only that is what happen, the main that is improving what happen, the methods of improving the sales productivity. एंड बहुत सारा रिफ्रेशर्स कोर्स भी हमें देखना चाहिए। जनरली रिफ्रेशर्स कोर्स में जो कंपनी हेडक्वार्टर्स में होते हैं उनका हमें सर्च करना है, जैसे कंपनी एक्टिविटी, सेल्स एग्जीक्यूटिव्स एंड मार्केटिंग इंटेलिजेंस, सेल्स मीटिंग और द कॉन्फ्रेंस, ये सभी ऑल जो रिफ्रेशर कोर्सेज होते हैं हमें वहाँ पे देखना चाहिए। इवन दो वी टू टॉक अबाउट द टेक्निकल दैट इज एरियाज दैट मे बी अफेक्टिंग द कंपनी। एंड lastly we can say that is about the sales bulletin. Training and the development is always continued the sales bulletin. It is a good medium to keep the salesman educated. Okay, and we have to find the day-to-day methods whatever changing, or and it is created by our own interest also. The informations make them more strong, and थ्रू द सेल्स बुलेटिन आल्सो, सेल्स बुलेटिन होना जरूरी है। हमें पता चल जाएगा कौन आगे है कौन पीछे है, को कितना रैंकिंग में है और कितना कंपनी व्हाट द वांट्स एंड व्हाट वी आर, दैट इज वी हैव टू प्रेडिक्ट। So this is the what happened, that is the mostly the methods of improving the sales productivity. That is what we have discussed about. That is the identifying the perfect customer, understanding the customer decision making, and learning from the star performer, the sales meeting, as well as the curbside conference and refresher course, and last, that is the sales bulletin. Students, next we have to discuss about how to the controlling the sales force. Next classes. Thanking you. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe, and always go focus on the studies.